Hello, everyone, and happy November. I hope that you've been enjoying the weather where you are, whether it's been cold or snowy or just wet. I hope that you've been staying cozy and happy. We have been hard at work over here working on Christmas crafts for the upcoming Christmas market. It will be my first vending event. I will be participating with my sister and we'll be sharing a booth, and I have been trying to create little things that I think that will bring the market goers joy. I've been spending my weekends crafting and packaging charms and just creating, and it has been so much fun. It's been a lot of work, but it has been a joy to see all of my little makes packaged up neatly and ready for sale. There's something about seeing your physical shop just laid out in front of you rather than having an online shop, which, of course, it has its benefits as well, but you don't really get to see everything all laid out, and I'm really excited about that. One of my favorite things that I've been creating for this shop, or this booth, has been these little Waldorf fairies. They are so sweet. Their hair is made from wool and their bodies are painted with shimmery paint, and I just keep picturing children going by the booth and wanting one, and I hope that's not just in my imagination. I hope they walk by and they see them and want to take them home, play with them, love them. Vlogtober really wasn't that long ago, but it feels like it, and since then I have had so many new things happening. I have been creating new products for my online shop, including some prints with my artwork, which is largely due to the encouragement I received from Vlogtober, from all of you seeing my art and encouraging me to put it into the world. So I really appreciate that confidence that you gave me. The time has finally come for me to part with my mitten stash. I have been holding on to these brand new, not even really finished. I didn't tuck in the ends, I just cast off and start a new pair and kept them in a box safely sealed, and just took them out every once in a while to look at them because that's what you do whenever you have a collection of things. But I thought I would see if there was anybody in our local community that needed a pair of hand knit mittens to keep them warm this winter and the winters to come, and I hope that they love them. I hope they love them as much as I do, or at least almost as much as I do, and I'm excited to see them all on display and get them finished the way that they should be, get their ends tucked in and blocked and packaged up with their little tags that I made for them, and just to see them loved. As for my original artwork, I just keep it safely tucked away in little plastic bags with mat board, and I'm not really sure what I'll do with it, if I will frame them, put them around my room, eventually sell the original pieces, but until then they are inspiration for my next piece. Is it already washed?
Throw away the Superman shirt.
I am sure you won't have trouble finding another Superman shirt. So I thought it might be good to have some roasted ones over the top flavor. Really? May you all be continuing to enjoy this hygge season, staying warm and cozy and crafting, and I will talk to you all again very soon. God bless you and goodbye.